Happy New Year! It's Dr. Jennifer Redmond here to, I decided to celebrate the new year. I was going to let you in on a little secret that us neuro-emotional technique practitioners have known and been using for quite some time. You know all those New Year's resolutions that you have? Well, NET is really good at kind of neutralizing those blocks that you may find around it. You know, when you go to do something, and sometimes you'll have an emotional response that comes up, and sometimes that emotional response can be really big if this is something that you've never taken on, or some kind of new behavior that you maybe find a little bit intimidating. NET can be wonderful for actually neutralizing all of that so that you can just go ahead and do what you're doing. Now, I will caution you, there is a bad habit that some of us kind of fall into sometimes, because NET can work so well that we forget sometimes that we have to take action to make the goal actually happen. But a combination of NET and action, you know, if you talk about law of attraction, sometimes those sneaky little thoughts in the background telling you that you can't do something will actually, it seems like self-sabotage, but really they're just survival skills that were, or survival mechanisms that were put in place a long time ago, and they're not really serving you anymore with your new goals. So you can use NET to neutralize those things and really make your New Year's resolutions last. So I hope that's helpful and letting you in on my deep, dirty secret. And I hope you have a wonderful 2020.